So this light just died on me. It's the low beam over here. And just before I go any further and show you how you replace the light, I'm gonna tell you that this lasted me for 10 years. So this car is now 10 years old. And here is the replacement right here. So I got the Silver Star Sylvanias, and I'm gonna put these on and let's see what happens. Okay. Hi everyone here. So I'm the BMW guy and the bike guy, but I'm gonna show you for you Volkswagen guys how to change the headlight low beam bulb. And before I go any further, I spent about 60 Canadian for two of these, and I'm using Sylvania Silver Star to replace this bulb right there. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna turn that bulb clockwise. And if you look over here, I need to turn this thing that way out. So you see this guy over here, I gotta turn this thing there, okay? And let's see if I could do this. I would suggest you that you use the gloves when you're swapping out the bulb, which we'll get to that in a bit. Okay, let's see what's happening. It's pretty tight to get in there, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, you see how I turn it? And now I'm gonna just take this thing and I'm gonna pull it out, okay? And this is it. Okay, so the bulb is in. Okay, this is the new one, okay, the old one. I'm gonna put in the new one, okay, in there, and you see what you have here. Okay, so this is how you need to set it down, install it. Okay, and now once you put the new one in there, which is one of these, you're gonna come back here. I'm gonna show you, and you're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky to get in there. Yeah, you're gonna come back here. So I'll let you see what you need to do. You see, you need to put your this thing here when you see it on, and then you need to click. You're gonna hear the click, and then this pin needs to be facing this way. So vertically it should be right there, and this is how you're gonna see. I'll let you see where the light is, and that's pretty much that. Okay.